Do you struggle to find Forex pairs to trade? A currency strength meter can help you find moves such as this one. And today we're going to take a look at the euro versus the Japanese yen. On our currency strength meter, we can see that the euro was once a strong currency, but over the past week, this strength has faded. The yen, on the other hand, has been battling between strength and weakness. But we can see on the currency strength meter, it has moved from -5 to -4, showing signs of a potential reversal. Let's head over to the VIP trading room and let's break down euro yen. So what we're going to do is just quickly briefly look at the euro versus yen on an individual currency strength meter. Usually you are used to seeing it look much more like this one here, where we have the multiple currencies in one place, but I've just separated that for now because I wanted to isolate this currency pair. Now what you can see quite clearly is the fact that when the euro tends to come up into this +5 and above area here, which is the sort of darker blue line here, we can see that there is often a reaction from that point. Euro does tend to weaken after hitting into those areas. So we're back here at that point again. This is why I'm looking to see if that euro strength that we've been seeing over the recent time is now coming to an end. Are we starting to see that euro weakness coming into play? The yen, on the other hand, we can see that when the yen comes down into that sort of -5 area and below, we can often see the yen start to switch from that weakness to strength. Okay, again, that's what I'm looking for down through here. Is that yen now going to start showing signs of strength, and are these two currencies going to start converging towards each other? If they do, that means that we should be looking to see the euro weaken and the yen get stronger. So let's head over into that VIP trading room then, and we're going to have a look at what's going on in here. So you can see I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I've placed some analysis here already, so if you are in the VIP trading room, head over to the analysis tab on euro yen and you'll be able to see some recent analysis here. And what I'm looking at here is the potential for price to come back down into this area here. You can see I've said euro is a weak currency, yen is a strong currency, potentially offering opportunities on euro yen. Price has found resistance at 163.60, which is this key zone in here. We can see that price found resistance at this area most recently, as well as in the past this month. And price has obviously come up into that level, formed a lower high, and has pushed to the downside. Okay, so there's one or two options you could look at if you are looking at euro yen now. It's to look for another area where that lower high could come in place and look for targets towards these key swing lows. You want to look for targets down here because this is obviously where buyers have stepped in the past. Now buyers have come in at other occasions as well. We can see at this point here buyers have stepped in, this point down through here as well, buyers have stepped in. So that's around about the 162.80, and this is around about the 162.50, and we can see buyers are coming in right now. But if we do see that euro weakness continue and that yen strength continue, then buyers should not hold here, and we should see potential continuation to the downside. So what we may actually see is a breach of this low, a retest, and a continuation. At that point, the alternative is to wait for price to come back to a swing high. So you can see the previous swing highs are formed around about 163.40. So if price comes into this level, let's say it rejects up in here, that could be also a sign that sellers are getting back involved at those higher prices, and price then may want to trade back to the downside here. Like I said, targets are going to be these kilos at the 161.57. You can see when I highlight over this area on the VIP trading room, it highlights the zone that we are talking about in question, down at those lows that formed on the 21st of November. So potential for euro yen to continue to trade to the downside here, in line with that currency strength meter. That's how you can find potential currency pairs to trade, by analyzing the strength and weakness of currencies. Thanks for watching this video update. I really hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more Forex trading content. I'll see you soon.